Good evening, I'm Nancy Cox.
And I'm Kevin Christopher. Thanks for joining us at 11.
A computer system problem within UK healthcare created quite the mess today.
EMS patients had to be diverted to other hospitals, and emergency room patients say administrators and nurses were scrambling to get people registered by hand.
Kylan Mills has more about a day when patient had a double meaning. In the LEX 18 big story at 11.
Bridget Williams says when she took her son to UK's pediatric emergency room today, she quickly noticed something was off.
And when we got into the room, they came in with paper and pencil, and I was like, okay, that's a little different because normally they roll in the cart with the computer.
She says staff members told her their computer system was down and they asked her to be patient.
I was really surprised to see that it was hospital-wide. It wasn't just ER specific. It wasn't one department or the other.
UK healthcare officials say the issues came up this morning after a routine software update. We're told employees are unable to register patients electronically and EMS patients are being rerouted to other hospitals. Williams says ER wait times definitely seemed longer, but she understands why.
They were having to run to various parts of the hospital. Our nurse went to the lab specifically to get my son's results, walked there herself, and the doctor had to go over to radiology to read the results herself because she couldn't. Normally they just pull them up on the computer.
Williams tells us the doctors and nurses were covering a lot of ground.
I said to our nurse, I said, "You're definitely getting your steps today," and she said, "I've already met my steps." She said, "By the time I leave here, I'll probably have double what I normally have." And that's pretty insane.
Well, UK healthcare officials don't have a timeline for when the problem will be fixed. Williams hopes until then, people will cut their staff members some slack.
They were all very cordial, very nice. Nobody got nasty or snippy, even though you could tell that they were frustrated. My son still got excellent care. He still got the care that he went there to get. That was not compromised at all.
In Lexington, Kylan Mills, LEX 18 News.
UK healthcare officials say their staff and employees from an outside vendor are working to get things resolved as quickly as possible.